We all do it every day. But have you ever wondered why we yawn? For years, scientists thought yawning was just about getting more oxygen. But now, research suggests it's really about cooling the brain. When we yawn, we take a deep breath of cooler air, stretch our jaw, and increase blood flow. All of that helps regulate the brain's temperature and keeps it alert. That's also why yawning is contagious. When you see someone yawn, your brain gets the signal, hey, time to stay awake and alert too. So the next time you catch yourself yawning in class or at work, remember, it's your brain's natural air conditioner. If you enjoyed this, hit like, share, and subscribe. And comment below what everyday science mystery you want me to cover next.